have these two, okay, little colored patterned pieces. You've got your ribbon. Nice. And then you've got your little, okay, be mine. So when you get your piece of stock, cardstock, we cut it as a 5.5 by 8.5. Now, the thing is that to do the even fold can be a little bit tricky. You can do it like this if you're a little bit confident. What we're going to give to our in our kits, they're going to be pre-folded, and all the parts will be ready to go. So you're going to take your little ribbon, okay, and the ribbon has glue on it. So you want to take the back of that glue off. Okay, great. And you want to put this about in the middle of your card. You can eyeball it.
Like on the inside or outside?
On the outside. Okay, so you can do it like that. One going that way, one going that way. So when we make these kits, these will be pre-done for everybody. So you got this kind of glue securing this ribbon. We're also going to have more glue. So you get your glue stick, and we're going to put glue on the back of these little pink pieces. And really get those edges, especially the edge that's going to be on top of that ribbon. Now, when you put this on, you're going to notice it's not the same size. So you've got a little bit. You're going to center it on that panel. Okay, so it looks more like that. And you glued it right over the ribbon.
Okay.
So as soon as you get your both sides glued down with the pink paper that we're using. Okay, so these, okay, you'll notice they have these little stickers on the back. All you have to do is peel off the paper. Yep.
Get it where it stays. So leave the little bump on the back, just peel off the paper on the top.
On top, yes ma'am. And then you could put it in the center or wherever you want. Put mine sort of center-ish. And it's 3D inside as well. Perfect. Now just decorate with your little stickers that you got.
On the inside or?
On the outside, inside, whatever you want. This was one of them that I did, like this.
Ooh, I love it.
And you could use practically anything that,
Oh,
that looks cute. Very cute. So this is mine.
oh, that's cute, Mary.
Aw.
These look cute.
And you can put more stuff in there if you wanted. I have,
The inside of mine, I have a little sloth. And then the outside,
let me see. Oh, I love it.
lips and little other hearts. And then I have a little sloth.
Oh, I like it. So that's what I did.
Aw, that looks really cute. It's adorable.
It matches this.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the end of that.